Tata Institute of Social Sciences has begun the registration for TISSNET 2022 in online mode. Candidates willing to appear for TISSNET exam must fill the application form. Shiksha here brings you step-by-step guide on how to fill the application form. To begin with the filling of the application form, candidates must visit the official website, that is tiss.edu. Now the screen will display the home page of TISS. Click on the tab Admission and click on the following tab, that is MA. Now the screen will display the details of the MA program such as timeline, eligibility criteria, how to apply, selection procedure and so forth. To fill the application form, click on the tab How to apply and visit the link provided. Now the screen will display the new registration page. Candidates applying for the first time must register to create the login credentials. Enter the following details, that is email ID, from where did you get to know about TISS, which device did you use to search, have you applied in TISS before. After entering all these details, enter the text area as displayed in the box. Now click on the tab Register. Now the candidates will be sent a verification link on the registered email address. Click on the link provided. Now set the password by entering the details and click on the tab Save. Candidates must now re-log in with the credentials created. Screen will now display the instructions to fill the application form. The application form has to be filled in 5 steps. To begin with the first step, click on the tab Edit or View. For the first step, candidates must enter the basic details such as enter the personal details, category, center for TISSNET and contact details. Candidates must recheck the details entered and proceed to the next step. Now, in the second step, candidates must enter the academic details such as educational details, bachelor degree details, master degree details if any. After entering the details, click on the tab Save and Proceed. In the third step, candidates must upload the documents in the prescribed size and format. Select the attachment type, browse and upload the image and then click on the tab Save, and candidates will be redirected to the last step, that is payment of the application fee. The application fee of TISSNET 2022 can be paid in 2 modes, that is online payment and in cash. Candidates can pay the online fee through net banking, credit or debit card or through e-wallets. To pay through cash, candidates must generate the challan as prescribed on the screen. Thank you and all the best.